India is known for its grand celebrations on two historic days, Independence Day on 15th August and Republic Day on 26th January. But have you ever wondered, what exactly makes Republic Day so special? And how is it different from Independence Day? In the next 3 minutes, I'll uncover the untold story of Republic Day, its significance in our lives today, and 5 fascinating facts that will leave you in awe. Stay till the end. You might discover something that even your history books missed. Let's rewind to 26th January 1950. This was the day India's constitution officially came into effect, transforming our nation into a sovereign democratic republic. It meant that we, the people of India, were now governed by a set of rules made by us for us, not by colonial rulers or external powers. This transition gave us rights, responsibilities, and most importantly, freedom in its truest form. But Republic Day isn't just a ceremonial day. It's a reminder of the power of unity and the efforts of countless freedom fighters who not only fought for independence but also laid the foundation of a modern India. It symbolizes the day when our identity as a democratic and inclusive nation was born. Check one. Here's the key difference. Independence Day celebrates the end of British rule on 15th August 1947, while Republic Day celebrates the beginning of self-rule under the Constitution. One marks freedom from the past, and the other celebrates the path we have charted for the future. Now let's dive into 5 lesser-known facts about Republic Day. 1. The date was chosen for a reason. 26th January was picked because in 1930, the Purna Swaraj Declaration, Complete Independence, was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress on this very day. 2. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to draft the Constitution. The committee led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar worked tirelessly to create one of the longest constitutions in the world, with 395 articles at the time. 3. The Republic Day Parade is a global spectacle. Countries around the world admire India's Republic Day Parade, where states showcase their rich culture and the armed forces demonstrate their might. 4. The President's role. The President of India hoists the national flag, symbolizing their role as the constitutional head of the state. 5. India's constitution is unique. It blends the best features of constitutions from across the world, like the parliamentary system from the UK and the fundamental rights from the US. Republic Day is more than a public holiday. It reminds us of the power of democracy, the importance of our rights, and the role each of us plays in making India a better place, whether it's standing up for justice, voting in elections, or simply respecting the diversity around us. This day is a call to action for every citizen. So, this Republic Day, let's not just watch the parade. Let's remember the journey that made it possible and pledge to contribute to India's growth. If this video added value to your understanding, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Jai Hind.